This is just the beginning. I don't think this is the last one that we're going to see. There'll be more of these as we go.
We're going to be here walking you through exactly what is going to happen.
We're exploring the lessons learned from past weather events and how Southeast Texas is using it all to move forward.
I'm taking you to show you how these researchers are helping us build better.
This is why it's imperative to know exactly where you would go.
This on a home is a nightmare. What can someone do to avoid that from actually happening?
We need non-perishable items.
Keep your devices charged.
We've been here before. Being prepared is how we stay safe.
You gotta be aware, you gotta be smart.